Welcome to another training session. In today's session, we are going to see how we can generate analog outputs using Omron PLC. Let's suppose we have a VFD and we want to control the motor speed. VFDs control the motor speed using the speed reference signals coming from the PLC. Mostly these signals are analog 0 to 10 volts or 4 to 20 milliamps. In most of the cases, 0 volt speed reference signal means 0 hertz and 10 volts speed reference means 50 hertz speed. Now let's see how to implement this. First of all, we will insert here a contact and name it as P on flag, which is always on flag. Next, we will go to the analog conversion and here we will select and drag and drop this scale trans block. Next, scale in is a speed reference signal and we can write here VFD signal reference. Enter, and here we will generate another variable and this data type will be real. Next, X0 is the minimum frequency we want to generate. X0 is the minimum speed reference. We can create here a variable with name VFD minimum reference. Data type will be real. X1 is the VFD max reference. Y0 and Y1 are the minimum and the maximum values which we are going to send to the analog output. This minimum and maximum speed reference, which is 0 to 50 hertz, will be converted to 0 to 4000 for the analog channel value, and these values will be sent to the analog output channel, and in return our output channel will generate 0 to 10 volts for our VFD speed reference input. So we can write here speed reference internal and data type will be real. Now this is in the real format, but our analog output channel accept only the integer format. For this one we have to use the real to int form. We'll go to the data conversion and here we will select real to integer. Drag and drop here. We'll simply copy this variable, and if we go to the IO map, our analog output channel is AS001. We'll just copy paste this variable here and go online with the PLC. Go to the project controller, transfer to controller. Now we have to modify all of these parameters. Now we have to enter some minimum and maximum values for these inputs. First of all is a minimum speed reference. We will put here 0. Maximum speed reference is 50. Minimum channel value is 0 and maximum will be 4000. Now let's suppose we want to send only 10 hertz. So we will click here, and as you can see that it is converted to 800. And now if I check the output voltage using the multimeter, the output is now 2 volts only. Let's increase the speed reference to 50 hertz, and this should give us the 10 volts. And as you can see that our multimeter is showing the 10 volts value. So that's how we can scale and generate analog outputs using the Sysmac Studio and Omron PLC. That's all for the today. Let's meet again in the lesson number 8.